a trade war. We are in a technology war. We are in a capital war. We are in a...
Imagine starting with nothing. No savings, no inheritance, no connections.
geopolitical influence war. And that, of course, is very relevant to the whole picture.
Just a desire to create real, lasting wealth. Most people freeze at this point, thinking wealth is reserved for the lucky, the privileged, or the already rich. But that is a lie. Building wealth from zero is possible. And in 2026, the path is clearer than ever. If you follow a step-by-step strategy, understand the traps, and commit to consistency. The first step is mindset. This is not about motivation posters or feel-good quotes. It is about rewiring how you think about money, effort, and risk. Starting from zero means you cannot afford to make the mistakes most people do. Trading time for money without creating leverage, spending every extra dollar, or waiting for the perfect moment to act. Wealth begins with recognizing that your mind is your first asset. Every habit, every thought pattern, every belief about money either accelerates your growth or keeps you stuck. The 2026 blueprint starts with a mental reset. Focus on assets, value creation, and long-term compounding over short-term comfort. Once the mindset is aligned, step 2 is controlling your cash flow. No wealth is built without money to invest. If you have nothing, your immediate priority is income, but not just any income, a combination of stable cash flow and scalable opportunities. That means a job or side hustle that pays consistently, paired with skills or ventures that can multiply your time. In 2026, opportunities range from freelancing online, creating digital content, offering specialized services, or even tapping into AI and automation tools to create revenue streams that do not require you to clock endless hours. The key is to earn more than you spend and to funnel every surplus into wealth-building systems rather than lifestyle upgrades. Step 3 is eliminating destructive debt. Not all debt is bad, but consumer debt, the kind with high-interest credit cards, auto loans, or personal loans, can sabotage your wealth-building efforts. Starting from zero means compounding losses are far more dangerous than missing a luxury purchase. Pay down high-interest obligations aggressively. Negotiate rates and avoid acquiring new liabilities that do not contribute to asset growth. Every dollar freed from debt becomes a dollar you can invest, multiply, and compound. In 2026, with inflation and interest rates fluctuating, controlling debt is more critical than ever. Step 4 is learning to invest, even if you start with tiny amounts. Many people believe investing requires thousands of dollars up front. In reality, 22/6 offers accessible platforms that allow investments with $10, $50, or $100 increments. The principle is simple. Time and consistency outweigh the initial size of the investment. Start with index funds, ETFs, fractional shares, or stable crypto opportunities for long-term growth. The real secret is not chasing quick wins, but leveraging the compounding effect. Every small amount reinvested today grows exponentially over the next decade. Start early, even if you feel it is insignificant, because that tiny seed will snowball faster than most expect. Step 5 is skill building. Cash flow and investment matter, but your earning potential is dictated by your skills. In 2026, the digital economy rewards knowledge, adaptability, and problem-solving. Learn high-demand skills: coding, digital marketing, AI prompt engineering, copywriting, sales, or data analysis. Even better, pick skills that scale, ones that can be monetized repeatedly or remotely. Each new skill compounds your opportunities, allowing you to charge more, offer value, or automate solutions. Starting from zero is daunting, but skill accumulation is the multiplier that transforms basic income into wealth. Step 6 is creating multiple streams of income. Relying on a single job or business is risky. The wealthy never depend solely on one source. They diversify revenue streams. In 2026, opportunities are broader than ever. Digital products, online courses, subscription services, freelance projects, stock dividends, rental income, and even micro-investments in alternative assets. Each stream compounds your earning potential. Early on, you may juggle several small sources, but over time, this creates financial resilience and accelerates your path from zero to sustainable wealth. Step 7 is automating and reinvesting. Automation is your best friend when starting from zero. Set up automatic transfers into investment accounts, retirement accounts, or business reinvestment funds. Avoid the temptation to spend surpluses immediately. The compounding blueprint works when earnings are reinvested consistently. The wealthy understand that money left idle or consumed diminishes opportunities exponentially. Automation ensures discipline even when life gets chaotic or motivation dips. Step 8 is leveraging networks and mentorship. Starting from zero can feel lonely. Surround yourself with people who inspire, challenge, and guide you. Mentors provide insights that years of trial and error would otherwise consume. Networks open doors to collaborations, clients, or investment opportunities that are unavailable to isolated efforts. In 2206, online communities, mastermind groups, and professional networks are invaluable. They provide both knowledge and access, two critical ingredients for accelerated wealth building. Step 9 is embracing long-term consistency. Wealth is rarely built overnight. Even with perfect strategy, results appear slow at first. The first $1,000 may feel monumental. The first $10,000 takes patience. The crucial point is to keep the momentum going without succumbing to frustration. Every contribution, every skill learned, every connection made compounds over time. Consistency transforms small actions into massive results. Those who quit early never realize the exponential potential that comes from time. Step 10 is taking calculated risks. Building wealth from zero requires courage to step outside comfort zones. This does not mean reckless gambling. It means smart risk-taking, investing in learning, starting small ventures, or leveraging underpriced opportunities. In 2206, emerging industries like AI, blockchain, renewable energy, and digital content offer high reward potential. Calculated risks, combined with disciplined reinvestment and skill building, accelerate wealth faster than conservative paths alone. Step 11 is avoiding the wealth traps that ensnare 90% of people. Lifestyle inflation, chasing trends, succumbing to instant gratification, and comparing yourself to others are wealth killers. Wealth grows silently in the background while most are distracted by appearances. Avoiding these traps ensures your income and investments compound without leakage. It is not about austerity. It is about prioritizing freedom over consumption. Step 12 is mastering financial literacy, understanding tax strategies, investment vehicles, credit systems, and wealth protection is crucial. Many starting from zero focus only on earning, but the wealthy focus equally on protecting and growing what they earn. Learn how to minimize unnecessary taxes, legally protect assets, and maximize returns. In 2026, accessible resources, online courses, and AI-powered financial tools make learning financial literacy easier than ever. Step 13 is continuously optimizing. The world changes rapidly. What worked last year may be outdated next year. Regularly evaluate your investments, skills, income streams, and spending. Adjust strategies based on performance and emerging opportunities. Optimization compounds results, ensuring that your path from zero to wealth accelerates over time, instead of plateauing. Step 14 is giving yourself room to fail and learning fast. Starting from zero means mistakes are inevitable. You'll misjudge investments, overestimate opportunities, or spend inefficiently. The critical difference between eventual wealth and stagnation is whether you learn from failures, pivot quickly, and reinvest knowledge. Failure is a tool. How you respond determines whether it compounds into growth or setback. Step 15 is scaling. Once the foundations are in place, skills, multiple income streams, disciplined investing, and networks, the focus shifts from survival to scaling. In 22/6, scaling can mean automating businesses, investing in larger opportunities, expanding services, or leveraging technology to multiply output. Scaling turns incremental progress into exponential growth, turning modest beginnings into substantial wealth. Finally, step 16 is adopting a wealth mindset. Money is a tool, not a goal. True wealth is freedom, the ability to make choices without constraint, to live intentionally, and to control your time. Every step above compounds not just financial capital, but personal capital, skills, resilience, networks, and knowledge. Starting from zero becomes not just a financial journey, but a transformative life journey. The first step today is the hardest. Most people wait for certainty, for the perfect opportunity, or for a push from external circumstances. But the truth is, waiting guarantees stagnation. The compounding effect of starting even with nothing is far more powerful than waiting for ideal conditions. $1, one skill, one connection started today can snowball into opportunities that seem impossible now. Start today. Start small. Learn, invest, earn, and repeat. Let every action compound into the next. Build skill upon skill, income upon income, investment upon investment. Over time, what began as $0 evolves into real wealth, freedom, and choice. A life shaped not by chance, but by deliberate, consistent, and intelligent action.